Hey guys, today we will be talking about the fruit fly bristles. We hope you learn a lot as we have put a lot of effort into this lab. Thanks!
Introducing bristles. So, what are bristles? Bristles are short and stiff hair that are located on the head and thorax. It's also one of the main characteristics in fruit flies.
The graph above, which compares the chi-squared value of each test cross and their critical value, shows which traits were influenced by outside factors. In this case, the test cross for stubble trait, forked, and singed rejected the null hypothesis, and therefore was concluded that the traits were either lethal or autosomal.
Claims. By a long process of solving different Punnett squares and comparing ratios, we came up with the following claims. Stubble is an autosomal lethal dominant trait. The forked trait, as well as the singed trait, is both sex-linked recessive trait. Both the shaven trait and the spineless trait is an autosomal recessive trait.
In order to see if our results were accurate, we did some background research.
At first, we were confused about whether this trait was dominant or recessive. According to the National Library of Medicine, it is a dominant trait. We were able to then confirm once again that this is an autosomal lethal dominant trait. And this table, which was retrieved from a study from Columbia University, lists the sex-linked mutations. The forked trait is mentioned. By using this information and also our results, we were able to confirm that this is a sex-linked recessive trait.
Spineless bristles. In this figure, as well as the text, clearly supports our claim that the spineless bristles are an autosomal recessive trait. This is shown through the lowercase genotype abbreviation SS of the trait, as well as mentioned with words in the text. All of these evidence were provided by the Carolina Biological Supply Company's Carolina Drosophila Manual.
The shaven trait resulted as autosomal recessive in our experiment. Furthermore, after doing some research, it was proven by Dr. Sturvant that our results were accurate as he also had the outcome of recessive shaven traits. As we had thought, the singed trait came out to clearly be X-linked recessive. It is also visible in both experiments done by professionals, as they categorize singed traits as sex-linked recessive.
This is the end of our video! Yay! Thank you for listening and hope you learned a lot. Thank you!